So I'm going to show you how to take a bolt out of a deck if they've sunk it in way too far. So if you come down here, look at the deck. The bolt's in a little too far for me to really get any purchase on it. So what I'm going to do is I have a Dremel, just a cut wheel, like this. And all you really do is you dig out portions along the sides of the bolt so that you can get the socket in there. So you can slide it right along the bolt, it doesn't really matter, and I just kind of do these back and forth shallow cuts. Alright, so try it again. Get something much better. That's it.